They're fabulous. Yeah. Okay. I tried to sing. Can anyone remind me how to sing, for example? So put up all the acts. It's great to see you keep the voice. Haven't seen you in such a long time. And you are looking amazing. I love your hair. Yeah, your hair is awesome. Next time you see me, make kulay so. Alam mo, the last time I saw you was when I did an interview with Liza. And you lost a lot, not a lot, but wait, and you look good. Like, paano mo na deliberate ba yun? What are you doing? You're looking so good. It's my new morning routine. My girlfriend is her lifestyle is gorgeous. Yes, she's up too. I haven't had the honor, the pleasure to meet her, but she's gorgeous. Okay, yeah, her morning routine is wake up early, morning walk, gym, before breakfast, or before breakfast. Okay, so that's good. Hindi ka pagpakain, you move around. Yeah, it's good to get the exercise in first before, you can, before you have breakfast. This is the best version of James Lee. Oh, thank you. Sa tagal natin, wow. Okay, okay. Remind me of my body. I think that. How's Liza? Are you managing her? Are you in control of her career? Also think a lot of people want to know, ikaw ba'y mag-aartista muli? Are you in control of your career? Who do we talk to? You know, these are questions people are asking. Liza first. Liza is, yes, still under Kellis. Okay. Kellis Music Entertainment. And, still, after doing the film in Hollywood, she's still working on a lot of projects, both in the U.S. and here. She's actually in the middle of... And South Korea? Is that it? There was a time she's traveling to Seoul? It's everywhere. Okay, it's everywhere. Pero she's under management ng Careless. But Careless also in the U.S. In the U.S. for acting, yeah. So pagdating sa U.S., she has another co-management. Co-management. Yeah, people we work with that are very knowledgeable about the U.S. entertainment. So that's a whole different... How's she doing? She's doing great. We're very proud of her and everything that she's accomplished. Send our regards? Yes, I will. So, madalas na dito pa rin siya sa Pilipinas? Yes. Okay. She's here right now, actually. She is? Okay. I hope. Okay. Pagdating sa yung karera, you are in control. I mean, people go straight to Careless if they want something to change. Yes, they do. So, at ang direksyon ng iyong karera, yun nga, you're very open again. Yeah, I'm currently releasing an EP. I've partnered with major labels, Sony Music. It's been great working with them. They're very supportive of my vision for the music. And one of the songs in the EP is It Hurt Me Too. Hurt Me Too. Yeah. And we're going to do that pagkatapos ng fast call. Okay. We'll have to do fast call. All right. 2 minutes to do this, and I find James begins now. Oh my God. Okay. Now, careful, Careless. Actor, singer. In control, out of control. In control. Award, reward. What makes you blush? Pizza. What makes you sexy? Music. What makes you relevant? Favorite time of the day? Morning. Favorite season of the year? Summer. Favorite street food? Hot dog. Favorite item in your wallet? Credit card. Wow. Your dream project? My next album, my next EP is coming up soon. Your wildest adventures? Too wild for TV. Okay. Your biggest achievement? Biggest achievement? Taking control of my career. Your biggest regret? Taking control of my career. One misconception about you? That I'm careless. Worst intrigue about you? Worst intrigue? Yes. I don't keep up with this stuff. Best time to write a song? When you're in the moment. Hurt me too, love me too. Hurt me too. Lights on or lights off? Lights on. Best time for happiness? For happiness? Yeah, happiness or chocolates? Happiness or chocolate? Yes. But they're both. Yeah. Best time for both?
Any time of the day.
One word to describe your life now. Ano ito?
Focus.
Focus. Maraming salamat. Wow, working session. Dala-dala mo ang wallet mo.
So hard.
Dala-dala mo ang wallet mo.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. My question is, how much money do you have in your wallet? And we're going to talk about Hurt Me Too.
Okay.
What is the song? Why did you write the song? You wrote it 3 years ago. Kwentuhan tayo.
Okay.
And para kanino ito? Anong kwento ng kantang ito? Bakit sinasabing Hurt Me Too? Ang mapasagutan ko sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy. How much money do you have?
In my wallet?
Where's your wallet? Yeah.
There's nothing.
No, really.
No,
Where's
really.
your wallet?
It's
Because I wanted to ask James kung how rich is he. So, I just want to feel good. For somebody as good looking as James Reid, gusto ko malaman kung magkano ang kanyang pera sa wallet. Pera?
It's there in the Gucci bag.
Is this your wallet?
Yeah, it's
Cute. There? Okay.
Yeah.
Love cards.
Yeah.
But how much cash do you have?
Nothing.
Wala.
Nothing.
Ayun, may lamang ako sa'yo. I have about, 2,000.
But I'm very rich.
Yeah, I know.
In love.
In love.
In love, yes. I'm very rich.
Let's talk about it. Okay. Hurt Me Too. Ano ang kantang ito? What is this about? And congratulations.
Thank you.
Talk about it.
So I mentioned it earlier, I wrote it 3 years ago.
Okay.
All my music, I never write about heartbreak. I never write about sad songs.
First time?
This is the first time. And the producer I worked with in the States, I went to LA a couple of years ago.
Okay.
And he was the first person I worked with. And he said, since you don't have a song like that, let's make one.
Heartbreak.
Yeah, like heartbreak. Let's go there. And then we talked there. And then we talked for like, the session was 3 hours. We were talking about like parents and all this like trauma and everything. It was like therapy, actually.
Oh.
It was like a 3-hour therapy session before we started writing the song.
You were always there when the lights went out. I was there every time you were down. We got way too many stars and the calm without doubt. What's life without a little fight? And girls, what's love without a little fight? It was way too much and way too fast. I just needed space.
You were always there when the lights went out. Come on. Go on. Tell you down. We got way too many scars and it comes with doubt. Sorry,
Yeah, I know.
I came from a music festival and I was screaming.
It comes to it.
Yeah, from my festival.
Right. So, if people ask you, the song is about what?
The song
Is it about your father? Is it about a fan? Is it about your exes?
It's about past relationships. We talked about our exes. We talked about our parents, even like some friendships that have ended. And the core of everything we talked about was, sometimes you think you're doing what's best, and they think they were doing what's best. And even though you try your hardest, even though you give it your best, it still comes to an end.
Okay.
And that was, one of the first things we wrote.
So if you were to write names, this is about Malcolm, this is about fans, this is about exes. Hi, Malcolm, to watching. My dad is that guy.
Sorry, Dad.
I love your dad. He knows that.
He loves you too.
Yeah, I love it. Okay. Saan namin mapapakinggan? Where do we avail of your music? And tell everyone.
Yes, the song is available on Spotify, on Apple streaming services, and the music video is actually out on YouTube. So you can watch that as well.
It's a bold invitation to Hurt Me Too.
Yeah.
So, maraming salamat sir.
Yeah, come have me too.
Thank you very much.
No, thank
For
you.
stopping by. Maraming salamat. So, kung po natin, let's continue and change the music and everything he does. He's a great guy. He's a kind guy, actually. But thank you for being here.
No, thank you for having me. I had fun.
Yeah. And I Believe, yeah, all new I Believe Sundays. That's 9:35 a.m. And Cayetano in Ashley Boy, Abunda Sundays midnight. Panoorin niyo po. Maraming salamat, Nay Tay Kapuso. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make another proud, and say thank you. And let's support James Reed and Bertie Sue. And do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless.
Tungkol di balitang bulilit, subalit biglang siyang dating. Ang usapin sa Law of the Sea sinalakay sa sideline meeting sa Defense Summit na ginaluhan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa Singapore. Komersyal at industrial customers ng Morocco nakaantabay sa posibleng pagbabawas sa konsumo ng kuryente sa muling paglalagay sa yellow alert ng Luzon Grade mamayang gabi. Sana nga! Chinese national na nahulihan po ng armada sa katabang mobile at electronic gadget sa Makati, isinailalim na po sa inquest proceeding. Ay dapat lang, sino yan? Sino yung Chinese na yun? Nasabi ni Henry at Willary, Pilipino daw. Sino yan? Lalaki! Arestado! Malabot maulihan ang hinihilalang illegal na droga at armada sa Taguig City. At yan! Ang ating mga double magtabuli. Subalitigat at natingan nyo naging tagapagbalita double gibaray. Ang inyong patangking yung broadcaster, alive! Narinig sa pagkukuparin. Ngayon nakikinig sa Big Time Balita. Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Enviromax. Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Puntahan na kagad natin ngayon ang ating mga nakailerang double B, Bampora, Tumamper Report, mga balitang bukod palang mababasa. Pero ngayon ay manipula po sa Big Time Balita, mga kapuso. Asahan daw ho ang pag-ulan sa Metro Manila at ilang karatig lalawigan ayon sa pag-asa. Umasa tayo na may pag-asa pa. Go!
Asahan ang pagulan dito sa Metro Manila, Sambales, Quezon, Batangas, Laguna, Rizal, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija at Tarlac. Hanggang sa susunod na 2 oras, patayan sa Santos Road by 3. Dahil nilabas ng pag-asa ngayong hapon. Pero sa ngayon, nararanasan ng mga pagulan sa ilang bahagi ng Cavite, Bataan at Palamigan ng Bulacan. Dito naman sa area ng Cubao sa lungsod ng Quezon, wala pang pagulan. Ako sa Glenn, driver ng Super Radio DZWB. Dapat, totoo.
Thank you very much sa kanyang ulan report. Mahigit 80 milyong pisong halaga ng illegal na droga nasabat sa Makati City. Umuulan ho, mga kaibigan ng illegal drugs sa Makati. Kumina at detalye, Dogo.
Paabot nga sa 85 milyong pisong halaga ng illegal na droga nasabat sa mga otoridad sa Makati City. Naaresto sa operasyon ang isang alias Aurelio sa bisa ng warrant of arrest na may kinalaman din sa illegal na droga. Ayon sa NCRPO, na-recover mula sa suspect ang mahigit na 12 kilo ng hinihinalang shabu at kush. Ayon sa NCRPO, naaresto na ang suspect noong 2021 matapos itong mahulihan ng 1.9 million pesos na halaga ng illegal na droga sa Taguig City. Sinundan ito ng pag-raid naman sa tinutuluyan na akusado sa Pasig City kung saan naman nakumpista ang 2.5 million pesos na halaga ng illegal na droga.
Bakit nila ako nungunan?
Eh yun nga kung bakit naulit pa yung pagkaka-aresto. Yun ang malaking tanong dyan. Makarere.
Okay.
Yung unang sitwasyon dito sa lungsod ng Makati, ako sila po dito nag-donis na radyo. DZWB, tama totoo.
Bakit hindi ako lang? Nagkapera ba? May nagkapera? Nagkapera naman ako. Alam naman niya eh. Ako yung matanong na eh. Ay pag hindi ako naging matanong, ay wala akong karapatan din sa microphone. Ang Pangulong Bongbong Marcos natin, nakinaw atin yan ha, at bagong presidente ng Singapore, nagkaharap na.
Hindi nga natin kung ginawa ng dalawa ng pagkakarap.
Dino, Deitane, Loco.
Nagpulong sila ng Pangulong President Marcos Jr. at Singapore President His Excellency sa Arman Shak Bugarang na Afghanistan. Lalo din ang nasabing pulong na paigtingin pa at palakasin ang bilateral relations ng dalawang bansa. Itong kauna-una ang pulong sa pagitan nila Pangulong Marcos at President Arman matapos itong maupo bilang bagong head of state ng Republic of Singapore noong 2010 taon. Sa nasabing pulong, nakuha binigyan din ng leader
na dumadaan ng 10 manggagawa sa 3 rehiyon sa ilalim naman yan ng SOLE Integrated License Program. Katuwa naman ng SOLE ang mesa sa apat na mga apektadong manggagawa sa Oriental Mindoro na nakatanggap ng license habang sumasailalim sa mga pagsasanay gaya ng small engine repair, organic farming, carpentry, masonry, motor and vehicle driving. Sa ngayon ay tinatapos na ng National Task Force for Oil Spill ang halaga ng operational assistance ko sa ginastos ng pamahalaan. Kasunod na rin ang paglubog ng FD Princess Airport sa Tauhan, Oriental Mindoro noong February 2023.
Hindi tayo kasama dyan, Louie. Hindi tayo kasama dahil yan ipinamahagi sa mga manggagawa ay tayo ay mangangawa. Hindi tayo manggagawa. Hindi tayo manggagawa. Okay?
Ay, totoo yan. Totoo po yan. At saka yung mga apektado na nakatanggap ng benepisyo ito ay mula sa mga rehiyon sa katimugang Luzon, partikular na dyan yung Mimaropa area at yung ilang bahagi naman ng Western Visayas. Ako, Service ito sa atas ng Jeremy sa Radyo, DWP, dapat.
Totoo. Ang balitang ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Immunomax. Ang balitang ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Kayo'y nakikinig sa Big Time Balita!
Hello, Ate Jody. Oh, nilagnat ka raw. Opo, sakit rin ang ulo ko. Kaya lang, di naman tumalab yung gamot ko. Padalan kita ng Biogetics. Magaling sa sakit ng ulo at lagnat at iwas pa sa posibleng side effects. Oh, thanks po. Yan ang Biogetics. Judy Santa Maria po. Ingat!
Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogetics. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Ano mo ba yun?
Baka naaamoy ka na rin ng katabi mo.
Baka emergency na yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 Dio lotion ng bayan. Say no to emergency.
Oy, sino dito na kailangan ng upload? Ay, ano, pwedeng upload dito, upload doon, upload diyan. Upload yun. Solution na pwede ba yung jamasan madama sa magkabang trabaho. May muscle pain, buli ka gamit kagat na lamang ubo. May kipal sa libibat, ikot dyan. May isang ka dito manggusti at saka moringa. Oh, ay di haplosin mo na yan. Wala na pala ko dito. Yung bilis ng epekto, bilis ng ginawa. Alam matapang na amaw, isubo ko yan. Oh, ay siya. Haplosin na yan. Available sa record drug nationwide. At sa lahat ng Lazada Healthcare Store.
iBerry. Pakinggan ang kasama natin ngayon na nakaranas ng panlalabo ng mata. Ako po kasi may diabetes. Nang nasubukan ko itong iBerry, ay pagkaganda. Ay malinaw na paningin ko. Nakatulong naman sa mata ko. For healthy eyesight, choose iBerry. Ang upo ngayon, kaya dapat advance ang gamot mo. Solute sa brand with advanced zinc action. Para ang gusto mong lumalala, tulungang mabilis mo wala. Mag-solute sa brand.
Solvix Advance helps resolve conflict sweat as fast as 3 days with taking twice a day. Unilab yan. Implicit Solvix Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Naaamoy ka na rin ng katabi mo.
Baka as emergency na yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 Dio lotion ng bayan. Say no to as emergency.
Narito na po sa Douglas na may pinagsamang magustin moringa ang palaya garlic at spirulina.